and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as the Speaker of Imo State House of Assembly, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully, and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and the law, and always in interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will exercise the authority vested in me as Speaker, so as not to impede or prejudice the authority lawfully vested in the Speaker